Hey guys, welcome back. I need you to check something on your Android phone right now, because if you have Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp installed, then your phone may already have hidden Meta apps running in the background. And the crazy part is, most people never installed them, and these apps are present on every Android phone. Open your phone and follow me. Go to Settings. Open Apps. Now use the search bar and type Meta. If these apps appear, then you need to see this. You will probably find Meta App Installer, Meta App Manager, and Meta App Services. Let me explain what they do. The first one is Meta App Installer. This app handles background downloads and updates for Meta apps. That means updates can happen without you even opening the Play Store. It may also use extra storage, mobile data, and background activity. Open it, tap Force Stop, and if your phone allows it, tap Disable. Now, go back. The second app is Meta App Manager. This one helps keep Meta apps active in the background. It manages processes for Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp even when you are not using them. That means more RAM usage, more background activity, and extra battery consumption. Open it, tap Force Stop, then disable it. Now the last one, Meta App Services. This service connects Meta apps together and helps them communicate in the background. It can remain active while your phone is running and may contribute to battery drain and background resource usage. Open it, tap Force Stop, then disable it too. And that is it, 3 hidden apps. After disabling them, many users report better battery performance, less background activity, and a smoother experience. Check your phone right now and subscribe for more privacy tech tips. Thanks for watching.